to be providing a youthful tip on how to have a stress-free Christmas. Christmas is like a few months away, so I know you're already in the mood. And the spirit of Christmas is already here, so I want to give you a few tips, just one rather, on poultry. Chicken is the most used meat for Christmas in this part of the world. And you find out that during Christmas period, you tend to have the impression that it's costly. And it's not the fault of the poultry farmers in the sense that they spend a lot of money bringing up the birds. I just feel it's because you probably have a lot of other expenses to do that period. Hence, you just feel chicken and you feel stressed. Why don't you start early? Like or October, you can get your cage, get your sawdust, get 3 weeks old bird. I will advise 3 weeks because the day olds have a lot of work. You can get 3 weeks old chicks to buy. The 3 weeks old chicks are fed with grower. I advise grower because if you just go straight to finisher, they not have too much weight and may not grow. So you allow them to grow a bit before you give them the finisher. The finisher is the one that gives them weight. Like finisher, that is the last feed you give to them after they have attained the maximum height or growth they can get to. One thing about birds is that they eat all the time. If you give them food throughout the day, if you give them light throughout the night, they will eat it. So don't stress yourself with that. Don't just do that. What you do is give them food maximum twice daily, and they'll be good. Caring of the birds, besides feeding them and giving them water, also entails cleaning their cage once a week minimum. You can do it more than once depending on how dirty the cage is. Allowing air to enter. Last year I lost a lot of birds because it was covered, my cage was covered. So it was someone that pointed it out that they need air. So the birds need air. Don't cover the cage except when it is necessary, perhaps to prevent water like rain from entering. Make sure you give them medicine from medicine shop, give them their food, and really good to go. The good thing about the poultry waste that you scoop out of the cage is that it's manure. You use it in your farms, use it to fertilize your crops. I want to take time out to appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. You guys are amazing. You are wonderful. Thank you for all the feedbacks. The feedbacks has given me ideas for new videos. Hopefully we'll keep giving you tips, helpful tips that will make things easier for you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, do that now. That means that subscribe is still red. But immediately you subscribe, you change to black, and subscription is once and for all. Bye.